Robosoft Systems is one of the leading manufacturer of HVAC inspection and cleaning robots. We have been making cleaning robots since the last 15 years. This is our robot with pneumatic rotary brush system. As you can see, this robot can inspect and clean ducts of varying sizes from 4 to 24 inches. It comes with 3 high-resolution cameras, 2 in the front and 1 at the back, so that the operator can control the robot efficiently inside ducts of varying sizes. It also has multiple LEDs with variable intensity control, so that the operator has full control over the amount of light required depending on the size of the duct. All the video can be seen on a 5-inch portable monitor, and the video can also be saved so that it can be used to generate pre- and post-cleaning reports. Here we have used a 12 by 18-inch duct to show you a demo. The boom of the robot can move up or down with the help of a joystick on the fly, and the brush can be rotated in one direction through a pneumatic high-speed motor. Specially designed brushes make sure the bristles reach to even corners of a rectangular duct so no spots of dust are left behind. This robot comes in a portable trolley case, which can be carried by a single person. For more information, please get in touch with us. Thank you.